Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit, monthly recurring commissions, and multiple income stream commissions have recently come in. So I'm live here in my Warrior Plus account. I'm going to go into transactions and just load up the proof for you. You get a default of 30 days. So we'll just go into here and come into the all time. So Warrior Plus is great for giving you all your stats and data. Come down here, you can see the three columns that we're concerned with here. So we're still live in the account. So the sales now are $18,503. And then the commissions earned in this column is now $9,194. This column over here is really important. I've sold 2,035 products, and I'm going to show you a bit later on in the video some real proof of how you can promote one link and earn multiple income streams and sell multiple products. So more importantly in this video, I want to show you how these are autopilot buyers traffic offers. So the great thing about these offers is that buyer traffic is the best traffic that you can buy, and by becoming a member of these offers, you can get autopilot buyers traffic and unlimited clicks to your offers. I want to show you how to get your traffic for free. So not just to become a member, you have to be a member to become an affiliate, but I want you to become an affiliate so you can get your traffic for free. And that's the first step of the system that I teach. And then I want to show you how to promote one link, and they've got multiple income streams built into these funnels, so you can promote just one link and earn multiple income streams to really boost your commissions. I'm going to show you some proof of how that works as well. Then what that does, it gets you into profit every month as an affiliate. And then you have what's called a funded traffic proposal. So every single month, you've got more profit to buy more traffic to promote your primary business. So if you're like me and you've got a full-time job, then you don't have to buy traffic anymore from your wages or your job income or even your savings in your bank account. I'm also, at the end of the video, I'm going to give you my system where you can earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus traffic offers. And I'm going to give you all the tools and resources that I personally use to give you everything you need to succeed. There will be an income disclaimer in the description. So I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me. And we've all got an equal opportunity to be able to become a member of these offers and promote them as an affiliate. So one of the first things we want to look at here is this arrow down the right hand side here, this recurring payment arrow here. So to become a successful in affiliate marketing, I recommend that you promote membership subscription offers, which is what these are. And also promote offers in an evergreen niche. So traffic is an evergreen niche. Every single person that wants to make money online needs traffic, and they need more and more traffic. So that's why these offers convert very well, why they're in demand, because buyer traffic is the best traffic that you can buy and promote. So recurring payment number 19, recurring payment number 13. This is how many months in a row the members have actually been paying. So I'm a member of each and every one of these. I pay every single month. And any gaps in here that you see, this is where new members are coming in. So as we scroll down, you'll see new members coming in. You'll see recurring payments, 19 months in a row, 14 months in a row. New members coming in here. So what's important here to note is that a lot of these members, so especially these ones here where you've got 19 months in a row, a lot of the members are becoming affiliates and they're getting into profit as an affiliate. So you get a higher retention and a long-term profit. So let me show you now the multiple income stream. This is really key. So I'm going to show you some proof of Easy Clicks. I'm going to use an example of Easy Clicks. Now, Easy Clicks, the upgrades on average are converting for every 1 in 3 sales. So I'm live in my Gmail account here where I get all my notifications about Warrior Plus referrals. All the dates are on the right hand side here. I'm going to go back very, very briefly, just over a year, and show you the consistency. So when they join Easy Clicks here, you earn $4.70 commission. Now this offer here, this triple traffic upgrade, 1 in 3 members are upgrading, so you earn an additional income stream. Now you'll see there's a quarterly plan where you can earn higher income, and there's also a $41 commission here for the annual plan. Another one here has joined the annual plan at $41. Now as we scroll down, I've highlighted in blue all the upgrades. So you'll see the consistency and how many members are upgrading. They're joining Easy Clicks, and triple traffic upgrade is what they're upgrading to. So for you, you promote one link, and as an affiliate, you're starting to get in. You're not only getting your traffic for free, but you're also getting into profit every single month, because the members, they're getting better value. They're promoting 3 offers within the system. Now this goes right back to the summer of last year. Still consistent. 1, 2, 3 members in a row. They're upgraded. So when you see blocks of 3, blocks of 6 here, this is where 3 members in a row have upgraded. Not everybody upgrades. You're going to get some white ones here. So not every person's going to upgrade. Some people don't want to be affiliates. They just want to be members, and that's great as well. So you'll see that goes right back to March last year. I've shown you the consistency there of the upgrades. Now, there's also high ticket commissions to be earned. Excuse me. So this is another product I promote, and it's within the portfolio of products in the system I'm going to teach you. So this is the click generator. It's quite a new one, but you'll see there's 18 products within the funnel. Now, if you look at the price of these products, some of these here, they go up to $8,500. So $6,000. So you don't have to buy these yourself. If any of your referrals bought any of these products, you would earn a one-time $850 commission or $600 commission. There are some lower ones down here. There's some $400 ones. There's some $300 ones. There's some $37 ones. But all you do is you promote one link. You get your affiliate link here. So when you become a member, just request your affiliate link. As a paid member, they'll give you your affiliate link. And then you don't have to buy these high ticket products yourself. And that's quite rare in the industry. Generally, to promote a high ticket offer, then you've normally got to buy it yourself before the product owner will give you that affiliate link. And all of these down here, these are all recurring products, recurring and passive income. Each of these recurring memberships. So just a couple of examples there of the potential. And I'm going to give you my done for you funnels. So the portfolio that I've created is 5 products, and I've done a done for you funnel for each of the 5 products. So if you're already a member of these, you can just send me an email. My email address will be in the description, and I'll give you this done for you funnel. And if you partner with me, then I'll also give you the funnel as well. So the funnel I've created is what I've been using to get these results I'm sharing with you today. Now, I've created a lead capture page. It's got a video sales video on there. So you don't have to do anything. All you do is clone this page. I'm going to show you how to clone this page here. Your prospect will put their email into there. This video will get updated with every month with all the new commissions. Your prospects will opt in and they will go onto this welcome page here. I do all this video update here for you, so you'd have to do anything there. I do all the selling and telling. And then what you do when you create the funnel, just put your affiliate link into here. So you're going to get the sales for the products. You'll also earn Leads Leap commissions as well, because even as a free member of Leads Leap, if any of your referrals upgrade, then you will earn passive commission with Leads Leap. So the funnel is very simple to set up. All you do is copy and paste these share codes into Leads Leap. I've done you a lead capture page. I've done you a welcome page, which this one is here. And I've also done you the email follow-ups. And all you do, just to set the funnel up, is watch these 2 video tutorials that I've done for you here. So if you're brand new and you're a beginner, just follow these here, watch the video, pause it, and just take action, and you can have your own done-for-you funnel that will earn you multiple income streams with each of these products. So very, very simple, very beginner friendly. I've personally written the emails myself. So this is for Click Engine. I've done you an email series of 7 follow-ups. It's important to follow up because prospects only buy on the first exposure about 1 or 2%. So if you want to be successful with affiliate marketing, you need an autoresponder, you need to follow up, because your prospects need to see an offer up to 7 times before they take action to buy. So that's why we always use these email follow-ups. They haven't been written by ChatGPT or AI. I've personally written these myself for you. And I show you in the tutorials how just to put your affiliate link in there. So really beginner friendly. Just follow everything step by step. So the system that I'm going to earn these commissions here, to earn these commissions and sales here that I showed you at the beginning of the video, this is the system that I use. So it's a video tutorial. How to get your buyer traffic for free. It's a lot more than that. It's a system I use to show you the results I'm getting here today. I'm going to pin this page with this video on for you to watch to the first comment below the video you're watching now. So watch that video and it will teach you step by step how to become successful with Warrior Plus offers. And these are the 5 products that I predominantly promote. And the results that I've shared with you today are about 90% of these products. So very, very simple system and very beginner friendly. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm uploading several new videos every week. There's over 1,000 videos now on my channel. If you've got any questions about any of the content in this video, please put your questions in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions. If you want more information or you want to join any of these offers, then the links will be in the description. And this system here will be pinned to the first comment below the video you're watching now. My email address will be in the description if you want to contact me direct through email, or if you'd like mentoring one-to-one with your affiliate marketing. I also mentor students as well. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.